replace the meter cable. This is a view of the front of the control valve. In order to access the internal components, we will need to view the back side of the power head cover. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are located in each corner of the power head cover. The front display cover will then easily tilt forward and away from the power head housing. Please keep in mind that there is limited slack for the wire harness connected to the front display board. Then carefully wiggle and detach the multi-pin connector away from the display board. First, push the meter cable tip upwards from underneath the bypass valve and lift it up and set it off to the side. Then, using pliers, pinch and push the strain relief that is holding the gray meter cable through the hole in the housing. Then remove the strain relief and set it aside. Disconnect the multi-pin connector at the end of the gray meter cable from the rear circuit board, and then either push or pull one of the ends of the meter cable through the hole and set it aside. Now feed the meter cable tip of the replacement meter cable through the hole in the power head housing and connect the multi-pin connector to the rear circuit board, keeping in mind that the connector is color-coded and keyed to fit in only one orientation. Then wrap the strain relief around the new meter cable and push and twist the strain relief through the hole in the housing. Then slide the meter cable tip back into its port and click into place. Next, connect the wire harness's multi-pin connection to the front display board while keeping in mind that the connection is keyed to fit in only one orientation. Then reposition the front cover back into place, and while holding the front cover in position, use the crosshead screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws back into place.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.